at yourself and don't worry about nobody. Drinking water, eating fruit, taking care of my body.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Arielle, and this is a get ready with me using Sistar products. They sent me 2 eyeshadow palettes, an eyeshadow single, and 3 of their gel liners to try out. I'm going to lay down some tape to define my lines and then some concealer to make my eyeshadows pop. Now going straight into the Sun Kissed palette for my underbrow highlight. For the most part, I'm going to be using the Sun Kissed palette, but I am going to dip into the Pink Blossom for this white highlight to really intensify it. Now I'm going back to the Sun Kissed palette for this brown, and I'm going to put this all over my crease as my transition shade. I like that this palette is compact and it has a mirror. It's great for everyday use because of the neutrals, and as you can see with the deeper shades in the palette, it's versatile enough to give you a smoky nighttime look. These browns blended in effortlessly together. Now we're going to move on to concealer to cut my crease. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal. Now I'm using a clean brush just to pat the concealer to make sure it's not wet, and I'm going to put this lighter brown right on top. This blue liner is gorgeous. It's smooth, you can smudge it out, but once it dries, it stays in place, and it is waterproof. It lasted me all day. Also, I wear contacts, and this eyeliner did not bother my eyes at all. Now I'm going to get into the rest of my face, and everything I use will be in the description box. Now moving on to the Sistar brown eyeliner as my lip liner, and I was smelling it to see if it had a smell, because if it did, I was going to be upset, but good news, it doesn't. That is my get ready with me using Sistar USA products. Make sure you check my description for the link. Thank you, Sistar, for being the first makeup company to reach out to me. I really appreciate it, and I enjoyed everything that you sent me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.